Ever dreamed of making professional level designs and turning them into income? All without advanced skills? In 2025, Playground is making this a reality with its powerful marketplace. Welcome back to Designer Shortcut. Today, we're diving into Playground.AI Marketplace, a hub for creators, entrepreneurs, and anyone looking to profit from their creativity. With groundbreaking updates and tools, it's never been easier to jump into the world of print on demand and e commerce. Let's break down Playground's latest announcement. Creating AI art images on board is going away on the 6th of January, as Playground is now focused on graphic design instead of art. We want to extend our deep appreciation to our AI art community as we make this transition. If you are a paid subscriber, we will refund and automatically cancel your paid plan. Well, that's the latest news from Playground. So, what's the deal? Let's talk features. Seamless design workflows tailored for print on demand. Think t-shirts, stickers, and wall art. Your creations are ready for commercial use. All you need to do is submit a link of your website, portfolio, or storefront showcasing your artwork or designs created using AI. And also an email address where you can be contacted on. After that, then you have to wait for their response. This marketplace is perfect for creators. From crafting holiday-themed merch to designing custom educational visuals or marketing assets, the possibilities are endless. With Playground AI updates, it's never been easier to create, innovate, and profit. If you're ready to dive into this exciting opportunity, check out their platform today and submit your application. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment below, sharing what you're most excited to create. Let's make 2025 your most creative year yet. Next, watch how you can create coloring book images on Canva's Dream Lab.